Since the housing crash of 2008, many homeowners have been stuck with mortgages they can no longer afford. Some have been tempted by companies that claim they can renegotiate their loans for them. But an Albuquerque couple found out the hard way, if you're not careful, that can lead to even bigger problems. Dean Staley is on special assignment.
He moved into the house, and my client never has received a dime. That's been about a little over a year ago.
Ron Hensley is still stinging from a business deal gone bad. Hensley is a realtor. Last year, he listed this $1 million home in North Albuquerque Acres for his clients, Kirk and Christine Moore. The Moores moved out of state so that Kirk could take a new job. The home wasn't selling, and the Moores were struggling to make the $5,000 a month mortgage payment. That's when they say a savior arrived to bail them out.
Well, hello.
Mr. Flores?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
What you guys got going on?
I'm with Channel 13. We have some questions for you.
That man was R.J. Flores. The Moores say he told them he was a specialist with lots of experience dealing with banks. His business was called Loan Reduction Now. The Moores say he promised to negotiate new mortgage terms for them.
The Moores say that R.J. Flores told them in order to negotiate with the bank, he had to be on the deed to the house. And when the Moores signed over that deed to Flores, they lost all legal claim to their home.
As part of the deal, the Moores say Flores also agreed to pay them nearly $100,000 in monthly installments starting last November.
You seem to have done some business with the Moores, and they say you owe them $100,000 and that you haven't paid them any money and that you're living in their house.
That's not true. We have a deal for a house. We buy houses all over, so this is just part of a regular investment, just like anything else. If you've noticed, on the contract, there's a deed. They deeded the property. They went with their broker. They gave it to the attorney. Everybody else blessed it, and so they deeded the property over to us. A deed in lieu, just like any other type of a transaction.
And what did you pay?
Bank.
What did you pay them to get that deed?
Well, it's on the contract.
Flores is right. The Moores did sign over the deed to their home, but Flores makes no mention of this nearly $100,000 promissory note.
We purchased the homes, just like
You
this one.
purchased this home?
Yeah, we've got a contract for a purchase. We've got a deed and everything else.
Well,
they deeded it over.
You've got a deed. What did you pay for the home? What did you pay for the home?
If you've done the homework,
you say
you've noticed.
You say you paid for this home. What did you pay for it?
Flores never answered that question. His business website, loanreductionnow.com, has been taken down, and the people who signed up with him say they've been let down.
What can you say to a guy like that? He's ripped me off. I mean, I feel like he's ripped me off. He hadn't taken any money out of my pocket, really, but, he's really let my client down.
On special assignment, Dean Staley, KRQE News 13.
Now, according to an attorney for the Bank of America, Flores has done nothing to change the terms of the loan, and the bank is now moving to foreclose on the house. Flores' attorney admits that his client does owe the Moores $100,000, but he says Flores simply doesn't have the money. The Better Business Bureau says it has seen a dramatic increase in complaints about loan reduction businesses. So, if you're not sure about a company, the Better Business Bureau will check it out for you.